students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution to the fourth question in exercise 4.5. Using Cramer's rule, solve the system of linear equation. So let's look at the first subdivision. Let's calculate the D. So this determinant is going to be 5 minus 7, 1, 6 minus 8 minus 1. Then 3, 2 minus 6. So let's evaluate this particular determinant. So it is 5 into 48 minus of minus 2 is plus 2. Minus of minus is plus 7. Then this is going to be minus 36 plus 3. Then there is going to be a plus 1 into 12 minus of minus is plus 24. So if you evaluate, this is going to be 5 into 50. Now this is going to be minus 7 into this value, which is going to be 231 plus this is 36. So 250 minus 231 plus 36. So this answer is 55. So now let's write out the value. D is equal to 55 here. Let's compute D1. D1 is going to be equal to 11, 15, 7, minus 7, minus 8, 2. 1 minus 1 minus 6. So this is going to be 11 into 48 plus 2 plus 7 into minus 90 plus 7 plus 1 into 30 plus 56. So this is going to be 550 minus 581 plus 86. So this is equal to 55. So D1 is equal to 55. Now let's compute D2. 2 is equal to 5, 6, 3. In this case 11, 15, 7. The entry of y is replaced with this. So this is 1 minus 1 minus 6. So if you evaluate, it is 5 into minus 90 plus 7 minus 11 into minus 36 plus 3 plus 1 into 42 minus 45. So if you take this first value, it is minus 415. Minus of minus is plus 363 minus 3. So this you compute, it is minus 55. So D2 is equal to minus 55. Now let's compute D3. D3, the first coefficients are remaining there. So 5, 6 and 3. Y's coefficient is minus 7, minus 8 and 2. Z's coefficient is replaced by 11, 15 and 7. So if you evaluate, it is 5 into minus 56 minus 30 plus 7 into 42 minus 45 plus 11 into 12 plus 24. So if you evaluate, this is minus 430 minus 21 plus 396, which is equal to minus 55. So D3 is equal to minus 55. Now let's evaluate the values of x, y and z. Equal to D1 divided by D, which is 55 by 55, which is equal to 1. Y is equal to D2 divided by D, which is minus 55 by 55. So this is minus 1. Z is going to be equal to D3 divided by D, which is minus 55 by 55, which is equal to minus 1. So x value is 1, y value is minus 1, z value is also equal to minus 1. Now let's take up the second subdivision, the D here. So here this factor, when it goes, this will become minus 1, minus 4 and minus 6. Let's write out the D. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 4. So if you evaluate this particular determinant, it is 1 into 8 minus 9 minus 1 into 4 minus 3 plus 1 into 3 minus 2. So this is going to be minus 1. This is 1 minus 1, then this is plus 1. So this value is going to be equal to minus 1. So we'll write the value D is equal to minus 1. Now let's evaluate D2. D1 is going to be, the first coefficients of x value is going to be replaced by this value. In this case, it is minus 1, minus 4, minus 6, 1, 2, 3 and 1, 3, 4. So if you evaluate, this is minus 1 into 8 minus 9, minus 1 into minus 16 plus 18 plus 1 into minus 12 plus 12. So in this case, it's 1 minus 1 into 1 is 1. Then this is going to be 2 and there is a minus sign. So it is minus 2 plus 0. So the answer is minus 1. So let's note out the value of D1. D1 is equal to minus 1. Now let's compute D2. Is going to be equal to 1, 1, 1. Replace the y coefficient with minus 1, minus 4, minus 6. Then for the value which is 1, 3 and 4. Let's evaluate this determinant. So it is 1 into minus 16 plus 18. Minus of minus 1 is plus 1, 4 minus 3 plus 1 into minus 6 plus 4. So this is equal to 2. This is 1 into 1, so it is plus 1. Here it is a minus 2, so this will be a minus 2. So D2 is going to be equal to 1. So let's note that out. D2 is equal to 1. Now let's calculate D3. D3 is going to be x coefficients are the same. So 1, 1, 1, y is 1, 2, 3. Then we are going to replace the z coefficient with minus 1, minus 4 and minus 6. So let's evaluate. This is 1 into minus 12 plus 12, minus 1 into minus 6 plus 4, minus 1 into 3 minus 2. So this part is going to be 0. This is minus 2 into 2 is plus 2. This is 1 minus 1 is minus 1. So this is 2 minus 1. The final answer of D3 is 1. So let's make a note of this. So D3 is equal to 1. Now let's compute x, y and z. Kramer's rule, x is going to be equal to d1 divided by d, which is equal to minus 1 by minus 1, which is 1. Y is equal to d2 divided by d, which is going to be 1 divided by minus 1, so it is minus 1. Z according to the rule is d3 divided by d, so it is 1 divided by minus 1, which is minus 1. So x is 1, y is minus 1 and z is minus 1. In the next video, we will solve the fifth question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.